跳，我心在跳。
Move every axis function. In RPG2, we already display the coordinate of every axis, but the pose of lobar is defined. The J1 90 degrees, the J2 minus 30 degrees, the J3 minus 30 degrees, the J4 and the J5 90 degrees by constant value. But actually the lobar control, the axis can be controlled by the user. So we intend to move this area to RPG2. So we can press J1 to rotate the first joint of FNAC 710, rotating around Z-axis a degree. Whenever press, suppose J2, the second joints can rotate around positive direction on speed. This value, so the speed can lower by pressing multiply 1 and press again. While increasing the speed, you have to push at this area once, twice, 3 times. Use this speed to adjust the speed of J1, J2, J4, J5, whatever, totally 12. 6 axis, positive minus direction, so totally 12 buttons. The buttons specified this size because the pattern used the same screen display as the main screen. The pattern used touch, finger touch, to select the menu function. So we have to divide each button big enough by touching with finger. Okay, let's go to open RPG2. From C drive, RPG demo, RPG2. Open DSW to check the program first. The 6 coordinates on the right button. Okay, and the sync input. FNAC 710 on the screen with these rotating angles. The pose seems okay. Okay, let's continue to copy the program from CMS CAPP. Let's open CMS CAPP. From D drive, CMS GAC, CAPP CH CMS open DSW. The first things we copy the window areas. The window areas in CMS CAPP is defined in Show Menu 2, the teaching mode. And in RPG, we insert the menu button. Okay, right now CMS CAPP OK. Then we search Show Menu 2. The area started X from 0 to 620. So these two statements is what we need. Copy. Copy, go back to RPG2. And the frame, we just put the menu somewhere. Okay. Before the message, this one is the window showing right buttons 6 coordinates, so we just put down here. Pass alignment. Okay, after this we hope the window area of move area settle down. Let's go. You see the window area okay. The next we'll add the 6th button. We copy the structures from menu 2. The edit, no. Okay, this is Chinese version. We copy the English version. Let's open Visual C++ and open workspace. The English version is CAPP CMS. Open DSW. Go to menu 2. Here's teaching. Display J1 to J6 coordinates. Okay, move. So we copy all the button in here, J5 plus. SPM is the speed 4, speed 3, speed 2 until X1, X10, S100, S1000 until here. Copy. and then put down here. Past. Okay, mark Control F2. The P9ST-1 for 9 stations has to be moved totally. We use replace all function. Replace what? Replace P9ST-1 replace with nothing. Replace all. Okay, the first finished. Then have this one. Do it again. Replace all. Replace what? P9ST-1 replaced by nothing. Replace all. Okay. Okay, let's compile it. There are errors. Control F error. This undeclared identifier UJOGP. Go back to CMS CAPP, searching UJOGP. Okay, with P and with M, these two lines has to be copied to the button of the variable group. Remove 9 station. Okay, let's compile it. Zero error. Then we can run to see what we add. We add the button and the characters on the screen. It's okay, but without adding the program. Okay, we copy the program to define the original speech first from initial. So we have to go to initial first at the initial position. You see, before graphic initial we defined multiply 1, multiply 2, 10, multiply hundreds, be the maximum speed 4. We have 1 for speed 1, 2 for speed 10, 3 for speed hundreds, and 4 is speed 1000. Copy this one to RPG initial. Also in front of graphic input at the very beginning of the initial past. And this routine displayed S1, S10, S100s has to be copied from CMS CAPP. Okay, copy this routine to here. And we has to cancel the 9 stations, the for loop, and remove IDI. Before doing anything, we mark F2 here by using you press O. IDI replace with nothing, replace O. Okay, done. And the df maxima speeds, the variable, has to be copied. Df maxima speed. This one with a I in front. Not this one. Okay, this one correct. Copy. Compiler. My errors. Control Home to the top. Control F, finding errors. Okay, this variable not defined, and THSSX undeclared, and what else? And the SUB ADD undeclared. First, S1, S10 in integer. Copy to RPG2 and paste, and then SUB ADD next. Copy. And then JOG X. Okay, let's see. THSSX. THSSX. Okay. Double. Copy. Remove the 9 station. Okay, compiler. Right, 0 error. Let's see. The button displays okay, and the speeds multiply 1000 and press somewhere in here. Okay, no program, so no movements. Right now we have to handle the mouse selections. We open the English version of CMS CAPP first, and to search X minus as positive. Okay, this is mouse solution. from here as minus. Okay, let's copy W positive plus U plus U minus until here, U minus. Copy. Where to put? The program has to be put before begin scene. At the rear of zone in, zone off, we put the Control F2 here and put down the mouse routines, and then correct the errors. First of all, remove P9ST-1 by using replace all. P9ST-1 replaced by nothing, replace all. And then what else? Okay, that's compiler. The compiler will tell us where is the error. '57th error. Okay, the first one is we have to start it with if errors. Oh, the routines coding is not there. Okay, and having the physical machine and the virtual machine and offline and the MCC error. The physical machines we have to remove because we are doing simulations only. So the physical machine MCC error routines has to be removed. We have 12 to be removed. W minus Z positive W plus and this variable not used. Okay, and the hiving we have to copy from here. Hiving equal to false is only simulation. If hiving equal to truth means with physical machine. Remove the line station. And offline variable. Okay, let's compile it. Errors. Oh, all these routines are not defined. We started from TJX plus 12 routines. It is a member of women. We have to announce in the members in women. The last one is TJWM. Okay, until here. Copy. Just put in front of frame. Mark Ctrl F at here first, and then remove T9ST -1 first. Replace O. P9ST -1 replaced by nothing. Okay, replace suppose sometimes with a space at the in between. Okay, nothing is okay. First removed, and then we see TGS positive conveyor. We don't have conveyor. We have to remove the conveyor, and join-more equivalent to 0 is join-more. And these instructions for simulation. This is MCC for physical machines. We don't do physical machines in this period. And join-more equal to 0 to 1 is cut for cutting season handling. We don't do anything about cutting season coordinates, so we remove these parts. The conveyor equal to 1 has to removed. MCCL, the physical machines program has to be removed. The join-more equal to 1 for cutting season coordinates has to be removed. TJWP, the Cartesian programs removed. PJWM, the last one. MCCL physical machines has to be removed, and the Cartesian coordinates has to be removed. And don't forget, TJWM, this 12, is a member of Wingman. We see the Wingman, the member, where to put in here TJSW before public inside a private area. Copy to workspace Wingman app before public with the space. Okay, compiler. One error. So continue to see what is the error. Control Home, Control F, error. Limit, delete. So these variables still has to be defined. This is software limits. LIMIT, LIMIT. Okay, Wingman. Control Home. Copy to Wingman. Control Home. Okay, that's compiler. Two errors. Show floor redefined. Pixel ADJ redefined. Okay, show floor redefined. So we remove the last one. Defined. And pixel ADJ here removed. Compiler. Okay, zero error. But before we doing anything, we have to see one thing. In the mouse, we check the X with positive and X from the left limit to the right limit, and the Y compared with the top positions and the button positions. Before define the button is X minus. We have to be careful about pressing the left button of the mouse. We have to lock the left button to make sure the program running stable. One by one, lock the left button and pick X minus menu, then release the left button. This program. So we have to fight the program at the CMS CPP. Okay, let's search. The X positive first. And page up, finding the program to lock the L button. After putting the locking left button, the program of RPG2 may be finished the alteration, and then we check a robust for testing. Just 3 lines in front of here, but at the CMS CAPP takes time. Frame, search, left button, no, search, lock. Okay, here you see the mouse get the button status. Mouse if left button is true, then mouse say lock. Mouse left button, lock the left button, and then mouse set button state, mouse left button false. Lock once and immediately release force, release the left button. So the program will pick by pressing the left button clearly once, push the button and choose one menu. So these 3 lines we have to copy to RPG2 and put in front of this routine. So we see get the button status, mouse L button, left button is true. And mouse say lock, the left button locked, and then mouse set button status, the left button false, release the left button. Don't forget the bracket in here, so at the rear we have to add a bracket. Okay, let's compile. Zero error and check. Go. Okay, we use scene input to input FANUC 710 robot on the screen. But the constant J1 90, J2 30 is still there. So for the variable adjustment by move functions, we have to remove the constant specifications here. Take it out and save and the compiler again, and go. Scene input to adopt FNAC 710 logbook. Right now, 6-axis 00, the logbook in home position, and with maximum speeds, press J1, then J1 10, press J1 again, J1 20. Whenever the J1 values altered, the logbook simulations immediately locate the same positions to response immediately in real time. The J2, the J3, the J4, J5, J6, all the same. So the logbook can be controlled by the users. Suppose press multiply 1, the red button here, the speed is multi 100s. Right now the J1 is 20. We press J1 plus again, is 27.5. So the hundreds, the speeds is 7.5, and multiply 10, the J1 plus is 30, increasing 2.5, and multiply 1, the J1 is 31, multiply by 0.1 millimeters. This is the speeds definition. Okay, so the programs of move functions already in RPG2. Ending.
你的笑容，你的美呀，只有我知道。你心中这团火呀，只为你燃烧。不知何时才能接受我对你的好。算了，还是送你玫瑰花，把我的心意表达。那花香的妖娆在没完没了飘。你对我感觉有几分，我不太想知道。只要你能记得我的心，时刻在为你跳。你的眼神我忘不了，红红的裙摆如烈火烧。谁家的女子谁知道？多情的人儿心在跳。你的心花在风中飘，和着微笑在我心里绕，喜欢你甜甜的味道，多情的人儿心在跳，我喝一口烈酒心在跳，忘不了你笑和微笑，这感觉就像我心